Cantier MES X.0, the future of manufacturing execution systems.
Inventory control gets complicated fast when locations, item routes, and packing standards live in disconnected processes. With Cantier MES, teams can define item route categories in a structured, easy-to-manage interface, making material flow more consistent from the start. Location management stays clear and scalable, helping businesses standardize inventory across warehouses, factories, and operational sites. Packing specifications are organized in one system so teams can maintain accuracy, reduce manual errors, and support smoother downstream operations. From routes to locations to packing specs, Cantier MES brings the building blocks of inventory control into one streamlined platform.
Inventory work moves faster when every transaction is connected, visible, and easy to act on. It starts with material request, where teams can quickly review request status, monitor progress, and keep materials moving without losing visibility. From there, items and locations gives a clear view of what is stored where, making it easier to monitor stock across categories, locations, and parent locations. When materials arrive, goods receipt helps teams record incoming inventory accurately, with item details and purchase order references captured in one place. For other incoming inventory activities, Other Receipt provides a streamlined way to log transactions and maintain accurate stock records. On the outbound side, Other Issuance makes it simple to trace where inventory is coming from, where it is going, and how each transaction is documented. And with Delivery Guidance, teams can track delivered and pending items at a glance, giving operations a more reliable view of fulfillment progress. Together, these workflows help existing teams reduce manual follow-up, improve traceability, and manage inventory with more speed and confidence every day. Inventory operations break down when teams work across disconnected steps. This platform brings the full workflow into one system. It starts with quantity acknowledgement, where incoming materials are confirmed with batch-level detail, invoice references, and total weight. Teams can verify what was received quickly and create a reliable foundation for every downstream inventory action. Next, Replenishment Master defines how inventory should flow. Minimum and maximum levels, source rules, delivery locations, and schedules help teams standardize supply decisions and keep materials available where they are needed. From there, Pick List Guidance helps operators understand what is required, what the system has requested, and what remains pending or complete. This creates clarity on task execution and keeps material movement aligned with production needs. Pick List Approval adds control to the workflow by showing requested versus approved quantities, delivery locations, and status at a glance. Teams can review exceptions, approve faster, and maintain stronger operational oversight. When inventory needs to be adjusted, the repacking workflow supports actions like merge and split. This gives teams flexibility to manage stock accurately while preserving transaction history and improving handling across the floor. As materials move toward completion, RTS Delivery Guidance helps confirm the final handoff with status, delivery location, and remarks. It keeps fulfillment structured and ensures the last mile of the process is visible to the team. Managing inventory operations across adjustments, inspections, mappings, and deliveries shouldn't feel fragmented. Cantier MES brings these workflows together into one connected system. We begin with stock adjustments, where teams can add, review, and manage inventory changes across tools, equipment, raw materials, and finished goods with a clear, structured workflow. Next, VQ Inspection gives operators and managers visibility into transaction details, such as item codes, revisions, quantities, and inspection actions, helping teams monitor quality and status in one place. From there, Batch to Bin or Pallet Mapping streamlines how tracked inventory is assigned to storage locations, making movement from transaction to physical organization easier to manage. The bin and pallet mapping screen extends that control by maintaining clear links between bin tracking numbers and pallet tracking numbers, supporting accurate warehouse traceability. With Bin and Pallet Master, teams maintain the foundation of pallet records, including tracking numbers and physical dimensions, ensuring standardized inventory handling across operations. Finally, delivery guidance helps teams manage manual delivery transactions with status tracking, request details, and actionable next steps, completing the inventory workflow from internal movement to fulfillment readiness. When inventory is spread across multiple locations, visibility gets complicated fast. This dashboard brings everything into one place, so teams can quickly find tracked items, review details, and stay aligned. You can move from individual items to a complete location-based view, making it easy to understand what's where across your operation. Built-in filters and exports help turn live inventory data into action, whether you're checking availability or sharing updates. Modern warehouse operations start with systems that are simple to set up and easy to scale. Cantier MES begins with warehouse creation, giving teams a clear foundation for managing locations across operations. From there, storage areas are defined in a clean interface that helps teams organize inventory flow without friction. Rack setup is just as straightforward, making it easy to map physical storage into a usable digital structure. Detailed slot configuration supports precise inventory placement, while keeping the setup experience intuitive for daily users. And with slot distance mapping, the platform brings operational logic into the setup process, helping warehouses prepare for efficient execution from day one. For investors and partners, it's a clear example of software designed for usability, structure, and scalable warehouse operations. Modern warehouse operations need software that feels clear, fast, and easy to use. Here, the Deliver binning workflow brings everything into one focused view, from accepted and delivered quantities to item status and binning progress, so users can understand the task at a glance. The interface is designed to guide the user naturally, reducing friction and making each next action easy to follow. In the binning location confirmation screen, warehouse and station selection, along with a structured item grid, make location confirmation simple, organized, and dependable. One connected inventory and warehouse workflow setup, transactions, warehouse storage, setup to storage on one flow, fully traceable, every step, built for manufacturers, 1 to 100 workflow visibility.